Taekwondo, Pantalejo Jaden of Strikers Taekwondo Academy, Rowan Jane Butch of Fast Academy, Dio Colano Yovigwen of Hot Sea, and Michael Albi Gabriel of Kaizen. Proceed in front inspection area now. Calling the Galos Taekwondo Legacy Coach. Galos Taekwondo Legacy Coach. Call Obiso Isaac of Fast Academy, Lenmel Colibel of Kaizen, Lumen Carloy of Davao del Sur Taekwondo Center, Bolanos Kurt Pinufi of Eagle Warriors, Vitaw Ezekiel of Rock Lion, Pantalejo Jaden of Strikers Taekwondo Academy, Rowa J. Butch of Fast Academy, Yocolano Moving Well of Oxy, and Aiko Kaizen, and Aiko Albi Gabriel of Kaizen. Inspection area now.
Coach of Cara Sofia of Kaizen, Cleveland John Alisin of Kibawi Apchagi, Nunez Ali of Kaizen. Please proceed to the recorder's table right now. Once again, calling the coach of Cara Sofia of Kaizen, coach of Cleveland John Alisin of Kibawi Apchagi, and Nunez Adeline, coach of Nunez Adeline of Kaizen. Please proceed to the recorder's table right now. Thank you.